are starting with a Coastguard boat and some directions. There's 3 directions. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. And then this is the 3rd one. Who built the ship? Let's start on our minifigs. There is, let's see. Ten minifigs. Let's start off with the captain. He's just a guy who drives the ship. He has a little cap. And that's good for the captain. Now let's get on our let's start on this is a doggy, you can see. Will be in the back doing stuff. This is another guy. This is another guy. And here is someone who drives another boat. He has a nice jacket. He drives this one. And this is a girl. Of course we need a girl. Oh, she really doesn't supposed to have no hair. But she has hair. She doesn't supposed to not have hair, but she has hair. And she goes with him. And this is probably another minifig if you want it to be. Same thing that does with all of them. All these things. And we'll move those to the side. And here is our crab. Our crab, who's just a plain old crab. You can move that here. And then the sharks can go here if they want to. And if they don't want to, they don't want to, they don't want to. And here is another set, another boat. A boat.
I am Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger.
You can get in there. Stop, Michael, stop. Stop, Michael. And here's a little swivelly thing. Goes up and down. And that takes care of that boat. And here comes the lighthouse. This is a nice lighthouse because it's a little bit big, but I like it. You know, nice little thingy. And that goes like that. That's pretty simple. The lighthouse is pretty simple. Of course you should have rocks. There's rocks in there. And here is I'll say a lighthouse, a nice lighthouse. You can see the back. Nice lighthouse. Nice. Let's move that off the side. I'm focusing on the main thing of this ship. So, here is a helicopter. Well, that's easy. I like this helicopter because look, it comes up. Well, that's not supposed to be happening. It comes up like, no, not like that. And it comes up both sides do that. It's nice, but not nice when it's like that. But nice, no. Nice little doom buggy thingy. Some lights in the back. And this is all one piece. This is all one piece, as you can see. It's nice, you know, nice thing to have it. You know, little thingy thing. It's nice. It's a nice little helicopter. It's nice. You know how it stays? See the helipad? Actually, you can actually tilt it as far as you want, but not all the way over. But like that, see how it stays? Well, not that. But it kind of stays like that, see? And here is a lot of space down here. It's nice to have some space in the ship. And nice little room in there. Room to store stuff. You know, it's nice. It's really nice. You don't really have to have these pieces in here. You know, they don't have to be on here. But I don't really like them. I like them white. I like them white. You know, I don't really like them. You know, it's nice. It's actually a nice little thing. Not little, but it's a big thing, which is nice. I just added that piece into it. Here is inside of the boat. That's what it looks like. And this is here, so you can get your hands in, like if you want to play with it, or it's just for show. You can actually take this blue piece off and slip it in, not like that, but that's one way of doing it without, you know, making a mistake. Well, grown-ups do mistakes. You know, not really kids that much on Legos. Legos, not really difficult, you know, for kids. But sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. And, nice big chip. If you just want it for show, it's actually going to stay. Because you took this blue piece out, and it's actually going to stay. But if you push on it too hard, stop it. If you push on it too hard, it's actually not going to really come up. Doesn't really supposed to be like that. Why? Stop. It doesn't really supposed to do that. And it's nice. Nice little ship. Nice big ship, actually. It's a nice ship. Comes not really a lot of minifigures, but you know, it's perfect. I like the design. And there you go, your City Lego set. That is your Lego City set. And that is your city set. Like this set, I'm not really obsessed with this set, but it's a nice set, you know. It's nice. I say it's really nice. that gives you all of these things to play with and all that. Nice lighthouse, you know, a lot of things that it can come with. It probably would have came with a little bit more stuff, you know, just to get the hang of it. And there is your one. This is your third menu. Third one. Second. This is your second. This is your third. Thank you for watching Carmine's Lego City sets. Bye for now.